If you're tired of breakdowns, mystery dashboard lights, and bikes that spend more time in the garage than on the road, Japan has the cure. For decades, Japanese motorcycles have earned a reputation for bulletproof reliability. Today, we're counting down 10 of the most dependable Japanese bikes still on the market in 2025. The ones that just keep running, mile after mile, rain or shine. The Suzuki Hayabusa is more than a superbike. It's a reliability icon. First launched in 1999, the current third-generation Hayabusa, still on sale in 2025, combines outrageous power with bulletproof engineering. Its 1,340 cubic centimeter inline-4 engine delivers silky acceleration and long-term durability, even when pushed hard. Riders regularly report over 100,000 kilometers with minimal engine issues. What makes it so dependable? Suzuki didn't chase extreme horsepower. They built a balanced powerhouse that lasts. The electronics, gearbox, and ride systems are all tested and refined. And unlike many high-performance bikes, the Hayabusa rarely suffers from heat issues, fragile clutches, or electronic gremlins. It's a sport bike you can actually live with. Whether you're cruising at 200 kilometers per hour or just riding to work, it delivers performance without drama. If you want something fast, refined, and built like a tank, the Hayabusa is a legend that still holds the crown in 2025. Love bikes that go fast and last forever? Stick around. 9 more bulletproof Japanese legends are coming up. Don't forget to subscribe and comment below. The Yamaha Tenere 700 is the Swiss Army knife of adventure bikes, and it's still going strong in 2025. Powered by a 689 cubic centimeter CP2 parallel twin engine, this bike is beloved for one thing: rock-solid reliability. The same engine powers the MT-07, a platform known for lasting forever with basic maintenance. The Tenere 700 isn't overloaded with fragile electronics. Instead, Yamaha kept it mechanically simple, making it ideal for rough terrains, solo adventures, and third-world fuel. Riders take it around the globe and swear by its low-maintenance nature, excellent fuel economy, and bulletproof construction. Its manual suspension, lightweight frame, and no-fuss design mean fewer things go wrong, and when they do, parts are easy to replace. Whether you're tackling the Sahara or the Scottish Highlands, this is a bike that won't leave you stranded. If reliability had a dirt-loving sibling, the Tenere 700 would be it. The Honda NC 750X is the motorcycle equivalent of a trusted accountant. Boring to some, but never lets you down. In production through 2025, it's built around a 745 cubic centimeter parallel twin engine tuned for low-end torque, fuel efficiency, and above all, longevity. This engine barely breaks a sweat, with redline at just 6,500 RPM, meaning internal wear is minimal even after tens of thousands of kilometers. What really sets it apart is its DCT, dual clutch transmission, option. Smooth, precise, and nearly indestructible. Commuters and tourers love it because it gets over 28 kilometers per liter, needs minimal maintenance, and can easily reach 100,000 kilometers with only basic upkeep. It also has built-in luggage space where the fuel tank would normally be. And yes, that's genuinely handy. If you want a bike that starts every morning, sips fuel, and shrugs off abuse, the NC 750X might be the smartest choice on 2 wheels. The Kawasaki Versys 650 might be the most underrated reliable bike in all of Japan's lineup. In production for over 15 years and still sold in 2025, it uses the same 649 cubic centimeter parallel twin engine found in the Ninja 650 and Z650, an engine praised for being virtually unkillable. Owners regularly push these bikes past 80,000 kilometers with nothing more than oil changes and valve checks. The engine is smooth, predictable, and low stress, which means fewer things break and more time is spent riding. The Versys also shines in comfort, with a plush upright seat, wind protection, and great suspension travel. It's the bike that can commute on Monday, tour Europe on Friday, and still run like new in 2030. Plus, it's easy to service even for DIY mechanics. If you're looking for a middleweight all-rounder that you'll never have to apologize for, the Versys 650 is your quiet champion. The Yamaha MT-07 is a modern legend, simple, torquey, and built to last. As of 2025, it's still one of Yamaha's best-selling models, and for good reason. It's powered by the same 689 cubic centimeter CP2 engine found in the Tenere 700, and that motor has built a reputation for being virtually bulletproof. This engine is liquid-cooled, fuel-injected, and produces strong torque across the rev range. Yet it's so low maintenance, it almost spoils you. Owners routinely clock 60,000 plus kilometers without touching the internals. The frame, electrics, and gearbox are just as tough. It's also lightweight, nimble, and cheap to insure, which makes it ideal for new riders and veterans alike. No complex rider modes, no useless electronics. Just pure, honest fun that won't give you headaches. If you want a modern street bike that delivers performance without problems, the MT-07 is the bike to beat. If you're after a lightweight, go-anywhere machine that refuses to break, meet the Honda CRF 300L. As of 2025, it remains one of the most dependable dual-sport bikes you can buy. This bike uses a liquid-cooled 286 cubic centimeter single-cylinder engine that's not only fuel-efficient but famously durable. The engine is under-stressed, meaning it runs cool and clean for tens of thousands of kilometers. Owners praise it for starting in any weather, needing very little maintenance, and handling abuse like a champ, whether you're commuting, green laning, or trail busting in the Alps. Its long travel suspension, lightweight frame, and simple design make it a favorite for adventurers who don't want to be stuck in a garage. Even if you crash it, parts are cheap and easy to replace. If you want a bike that's tougher than it looks and lasts longer than expected, the CRF 300L is your low-key warrior. The Suzuki V-Strom 800DE is Suzuki's latest evolution of its legendary adventure lineup. And even though it's new, it's built with the same reliability-first mindset that made the V-Strom name famous. Launched in 2023 and still sold in 2025, it uses a brand new 776 cubic centimeter parallel twin engine with a 270-degree crank, giving it torque-rich performance and excellent balance. Suzuki engineered this bike to be rugged, low maintenance, and globally serviceable. It features spoked wheels, long travel suspension, and advanced rider aids. Yet it avoids overcomplication, focusing instead on long-distance durability. Early reviews and owner reports already show it's rock solid, even on punishing terrain. It's also part of Suzuki's strategy to keep maintenance DIY friendly, with easy access to key components and bulletproof electronics. If you're looking for a future-proof adventure bike that'll stay strong long after trendier machines fail, the V-Strom 800DE is one to trust. The Kawasaki Z900 is a masterclass in raw performance blended with long-term reliability. Still in production in 2025, this bike features a 948 cubic centimeter inline-4 engine that delivers smooth power, linear throttle response, and best of all, exceptional durability. What makes the Z900 shine isn't just its performance, it's how little it asks in return. The engine runs cool and clean, valve checks are spaced far apart, and owners frequently hit 70,000 plus kilometers with just routine maintenance. It also has bulletproof fueling, robust electronics, and a frame that handles abuse with ease. It's not overloaded with fragile tech either. You get ABS, traction control, and ride modes, all reliable and refined. No constant sensor failures, no overheating, no drama. If you want a powerful naked bike that's still as dependable as a Honda Civic, the Z900 is a bike you buy once and ride for life. The Yamaha XSR 700 is proof that you can have retro style without sacrificing modern reliability. Based on the same rock-solid CP2 engine used in the MT-7 and Tenere 700, the XSR 700 is still in Yamaha's 2025 lineup, and for good reason. This bike delivers torque-rich performance, lightweight handling, and a vintage look that turns heads. But under the tank, it's all no-nonsense engineering. The 689 cubic centimeter parallel twin is smooth, fuel-efficient, and requires minimal maintenance. Valve intervals are generous, and oil changes are a breeze. Owners routinely rack up tens of thousands of kilometers with barely a hiccup. You also get ABS, solid build quality, and tight fit and finish typical of Yamaha. Plus, it's easy to mod, so if you want a reliable daily with room for personality, this is it. If you're into classic vibes with 21st century guts, the XSR 700 is a dead reliable beauty. The Honda CB500X is the definition of a do-it-all machine. Affordable, versatile, and reliable to the core. Still going strong in 2025, it features a 471 cubic centimeter parallel twin engine that's been praised for years for its near-zero failure rate and butter-smooth power delivery. This bike doesn't try to be flashy. Instead, it delivers consistency, comfort, and simplicity, exactly what long-distance commuters and budget-conscious adventurers love. The low-revving engine puts minimal stress on internals, and most owners report 50,000 kilometers plus with just routine maintenance: oil, chain, filters, and tires. You also get comfortable ergonomics, decent wind protection, and bulletproof fueling, all wrapped in a chassis that feels just as happy in the city as it does on a dirt road. It's not flashy, but it's the bike that just keeps going. If you want a low-cost workhorse that behaves like a premium machine, the CB500X delivers year after year. If you're serious about owning a bike that runs like clockwork in 2025 and beyond, you can't go wrong with any of these 10. Hit subscribe for more real-world bike lists and drop a comment below. Which Japanese bike has been the most reliable for you? Let's keep the conversation rolling.